Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. So in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can create user roles on your Discord app in your iPhone devices. So the process is really simple and you just have to follow these quick and easy steps in order to fully understand that how you can create user roles in your Discord app on your iPhone device. So without any further ado, let's get started. Just open your Discord app. From here you will just have to create a server if you don't have any. For that, just click on this plus icon, create my own, skip this question, give your server a name and a picture, create server, skip. Okay, so to set the user roles in your server, you just have to tap on these three bars. Click on these three dots, settings, and from the tab of user management, click on roles, create role, and you can set a name for it and a color. So click on create. Here you can set up the permissions. I'm gonna skip this step for now. And once you're done, click on finish. So that was it for today. I really hope that you loved this video, because if you did, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.